Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel from with Mimi Survivors. Today I have a new stylish pebble houses ideas. You can see die classy pebble houses decoration ideas for your garden area, your wall decoration ideas. You can see it is very amazing and stylish houses decoration. You can make easily different stones houses for your garden area, for dining room, your kitchen and etc. I hope you like it and you like it, so please like my video. It is very beautiful, colorful paper houses ideas. You can see its color, its making thoughts. You can see. I hope you like it and you like it, so please like my video, share my video, subscribe my YouTube channel, and you can see more paper videos, paper art videos. So please press the bell icon. So Allah Hafiz, take care, bye bye.